Hey, I saw this gun at 76.
Chevelle, baby. We're out here in Jacksonville, Arkansas. Car show. Starting to get more cars out here now. Last is until 6 p.m. Anybody who want to come out. So, gonna start judging the cars soon, probably. Real gang in the building, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all tap in with us.
All the people that stuck in themselves that was having that shit, now they can't get it out. All the oldies that used to be bosses, they out there in jail, they either was selling that shit or was
Track out, baby. SS Camaro. Oh, yeah, Real bringing that pressure, man. Just a few on. He ain't bring everything out, he brought a little something. Yes, sir, you anywhere in Arkansas. This your man right here, Mobile Detail. Yes, sir. 300. Got some horsepower out here, y'all. Nothing like that Super Snake. That's a bad boy right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Get that muscle out here. All right now.
How many horsepower you say you got in this thing?
It's supercharged. I give him at least 1,000. Ain't no telling what all him did to it. Now that bad boy right there, that's the one right there, that Mustang.
What do you think?
That's the one. That Super Snake real fast. That's the one right there. My baby boy.